Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate a business listing on Yellow Pages, full guide step by step clearly. To activate a business listing on Yellow Pages, start by visiting the Yellow Pages website. On the home page, look for the List Your Business option. Click on that option to initiate the process. You will be prompted to enter your business name. Fill in the necessary details such as your business address. Make sure to provide a valid phone number for your business. Next, select the appropriate business category that best describes your services. This step is crucial for helping potential customers find you. After entering the required information, click on the Continue button. You may need to create an account if you do not already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Provide your email address and create a password. Once your account is set up, log into the platform. Now, you should see an option to verify your business listing. Select the verification method that suits you best. This may include receiving a verification call or a postcard. Once you receive the verification code, return to the Yellow Pages website. Enter the verification code in the designated field. At this point, you can edit your business information. Add a business description that highlights what you offer. Upload high-quality images to enhance your listing. Make sure all your information is accurate and up-to-date. After finalizing your listing, click on the Activate button. You should receive a confirmation notification indicating your listing is active. Regularly check your listing for any updates or changes. This will ensure your business remains visible to potential customers. Congratulations, your business listing is now fully activated on Yellow Pages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.